Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my Mega Motivational Videos review. Alright, I'm just checking what date it is today. It's the 11th of November, so this product is going live today on the 11th of, October. Hello. 11th of October. It's today, all day. Alright, so Mega Motivational Videos going live at 9 a.m. New York time on the 11th of October. That's the newest launch by Nelson Long, guys. A vendor I can wholeheartedly recommend. Okay, I can testify personally as to, as to how much of a quality and, decent vendor he is really. He's got a, decent score on Warrior Plus. It's obviously a Warrior Plus launch. 4 stars, okay? 4 stars. It's low. It takes a while to load up sometimes. Okay, so we'll check out this product. I've got the members area somewhere here for you, so I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like. Now, the sales page is gonna be right below my review. Go check it out, guys. But in short, with this product, you'll get instant access to 100 brand new unique motivational video library with PLR, so complete, with full PLR rights. PLR means personal license rights, so you can resell them. You can, not only can you resell them and keep 100% profit, so you put the price on the product, okay? You can package them up however you want. But also, so as I was saying, not only can you resell them, but you can, obviously, perhaps not obvious for everyone, to everyone. You can customize them, change them up, edit them. Okay, they're your product. You can put your name, on it, your brand, your logo, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you can. These are like a library of motivational videos, and you will have them both in horizontal and vertical layout, okay, which is great. So you can use them for shorts as well, especially for social media accounts. It's very trendy. The motivational niche is a very powerful niche, I would say. Okay, all starts from the motivation within us, and it will determine the course of our life. The amount of motivation and inspiration we have within ourselves, right? So people love to watch these kinds of videos. They boost the confidence, they make them feel better and all of that. Okay, so they're very empowering. So again, you can use them to generate viral traffic, okay, on social media accounts to grow your social media. You can use them for TikTok, as YouTube shorts and all of that. Okay, so guys, please check out the sales page. Nelson goes through the features of this product, through what you can do with them, how you can use them to make profits. The sales page is nice, it's to the point. So here are some examples of the videos, okay, you will have. So there are short videos. You see, like this one, you've got the watermark here, but obviously, just so people cannot steal them. But obviously, inside of the members area, it is going to be without this supergoodproduct.com watermark. So watch these videos, see how you like them. They're also in vertical, as this one, in vertical layout, which I guess it's like going to be a way, much more popular way, and better way to utilize them, really. Okay, because as I said, you can by all means use them for social media like Instagram, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and all of that. So these are the main features. It's the high definition, high resolution. Okay, so top quality, sharp and crisp videos. MP4 format, so excellent compatibility, and you can use them with all kinds of like editing software, whatever software for editing your videos you use, okay? And each video comes with 2 different aspect ratios, horizontal and vertical. And additionally, each video also comes in 2 variants. One with the author's name and the other one without the author's name, giving you flexibility. Which means, you know, in those videos you will have quotes by Martin Luther or by whoever, you know, is a legend, whoever, you know, stood the test of time, so to speak, okay, and is still immortal in a way, okay, because we remember those people even though they passed away. But not only people who from the past, also like, you know, whoever is popular these days as well. You'll find a lot of quotes, videos with, you know, such people's quotes. Anyhow, here Nelson go through how you can, you know, what you can do with these unique high impact motivational videos. So, you know, there's quite a list here. Okay, this product, as you can see, it goes live in 3 hours. So guys, check out the sales page. It's below my review. Nelson also gives you a money back guarantee. And now we will have some upsells. We'll check out the funnel later. I also have some bonuses from my buyers who decide to buy it via the link below my review. So the bonuses I have for you is 5 easy ways to boost your emotional intelligence, 5 productivity hacks to get more done. Isn't that very important? To get that, you know, bum in gear and, you know, and yeah, start being creative, productive, and constructive, okay? Emotionally, it's part of emotional intelligence, being constructive, okay? Anyhow, the first bonus is 5 secrets to finding your niche. A lot of people are hanging in the air, sort of like in a limbo, indecisive, because they are like, okay, in what direction do I go? What are my true passions and interests? Maybe they know it, but I don't know whether it is going to be popular, whether people will be interested, whether there is enough demand. So it's very important before you decide to go in a particular niche to do your due diligence and research on how successful it is, okay, how popular that niche is, whether there is a traffic, or again, whether there is a demand for it. So yeah, so these will be ebooks or some like courses as well, or a bunch of articles as well with master reseller rights, okay? So these are my bonuses that you can also, you know, resell, package them up as bonuses, stuff like that. Right, and that's the members area. So simple look. You will have here access to the front end, and this Mega Motivational Videos Enhanced is a bump offer on the front end, which I'll show you the whole funnel a little bit later. But let me show you what how you download the videos and what they would look like in your file. So yeah, click to start, and that takes you to the next page, which looks like this. Okay, and from there you have a reminder of what you can and cannot do with your PLR license rights, so personal license rights again. And then click through this button, and that's going to take you to the downloads page. Okay, you can download all, but I would not recommend it. It will take you a while. As you can see, these are quite big files, so they have been divided into, like, you know, categories: inspirational, motivation, positive. Okay, so I would just download them one by one, and once you have them in your folder, they'll look like this. So let me just I have downloaded quite a few of them actually. So this is an example. Okay, as you can see, you have like 10, around, no, maybe 12 different videos. And now if I click on the first one, it's going to show you So the options you have. So if you're going through hell, there's a quote. If you're going through hell, I would say, you know, walk like you own the place. Yeah, keep walking. Okay, it's only temporary. Anyhow, you have it in horizontal. You have it in horizontal with offer. You have it with vertical, and you have it with vertical with offer as well. So let me open up the vertical one, just so you can see what it looks like.
Going through hell. Keep going.
Winston Churchill said that. And that's the horizontal, that's without the offer.
If you're going through hell, keep going.
Keep going. That's it. It will not last forever. You know, as they say, after the storm always comes the sun. You know, inevitably. Alright guys, so yeah. That's it. That's the product. And let me show you now the funnel. Okay, the funnel is here. There will be, oh, actually, I would prefer to go to Warrior Plus and show you the funnel from here. Now, the most relevant, let me just pop myself here. The most relevant upsells will be, okay, there will be, front end is $17. There will be a bump on the front end called Mega Motivational Videos Enhance for $9.99. It's sort of like the same videos, but I mean, like, it's almost like double the amount of the videos. So I would highly recommend you get the bump as well, because you get more bang for your buck, so to speak. And again, it's all about motivational videos. It's really the same stuff, just you know, more quantity, right? And then upsell number 1 is the upgrade for 47. Let's see if I have more info here. No, I don't have more info here, but you will see it on the sales page, you know, to this particular upsell. As you're going through the funnel after you've purchased the front end, you will be presented with the upsell. So pick what you like and then leave what you don't really like, okay, or need. Okay, and on this upgrade, you will also have a bump for $9.99, the so-called enhanced as well. Now, from, I would say upsell number 2, the rest of the funnel is kind of like, it's not very relevant to the front end. Nevertheless, these are like good, like sort of different, in different niches, quality PLR products as well, that Nelson released in the past, okay, and sold pretty well. So you will have the children ebook combo, you'll have the timeless novel combo, the audio blowout combo, digital planner combo. Okay, and here the last 2 is a membership that you can pay for monthly or one time. Okay guys, so that's the funnel, and I believe I've covered everything. So you'll find the link to it below my review, and go check it out. You're also getting some splendid bonuses from me if you decide to buy via the link, my affiliate link below my review. I do promote it. I like the quality of Nelson's products, so you know, if that's the the right product for the right person, if that's for you, by all means you can get it from me. Okay guys, take care, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.